Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily back up your data and factory reset Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So what are we going to do is we're going to back up our data first. We can go to settings, and if we're planning on keeping the device, we can easily go to data management. Now here, if you go to reset, as you guys can see, you can go to factory data reset, but first we're going to go over and we can do the temporary cloud backup. So we can back up our data to the Samsung cloud and it will be there for 30 days. Also, we can do the external storage backup, so you can plug something into your phone like PC, any USBs and etc. You can go to continue. Here you just allow the permissions, and now you need to connect your external storage device. Once you do that, of course, the Samsung Cloud Backup is much better. You can go over and simply scroll to the factory data reset in general management. Now, don't you worry, because it will delete everything. And as you guys can see, it even tells us our accounts. So the Samsung account, the Google account, and etc. Now, the following apps will be uninstalled. Some apps may be reinstalled after the reset, depending on your service provider. So these are all Samsung apps, as you guys can see. And here we're going to tap on reset. Now you need to confirm it with your password. And here you click delete all. And this is our final step. Once we click on delete all, as you guys can see, we will have to enter our Samsung password. So if somebody just goes over into your settings, tries to reset this, they have to know your password. So I'll enter it and I'll see you guys in a second. Now we're going to click OK. And as you guys can see, the phone is shutting down. And that's because we successfully factory reset it. So now you can wait and see if your phone actually turns out to be resetted. And now you will see the logo, and soon you should also see the menu. So the startup menu, the first initial setup. And in a couple of seconds it should be there. So now we are waiting. We got the powered by Android, and soon we should see our initial setup. So now it is loading, and soon we should see it. As you guys can see, we got the big welcome, and then here we got the start button. As you guys can see, it's done. We factory resetted our phone. We also backed it up. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.